let's meet the wild animals.
Lion, lion, king of the land, with his golden mane so grand.
Tiger, tiger, fast and bright, running through the jungle light.
Elephant, elephant, big and tall, with a trunk that can lift all.
Giraffe, giraffe, neck so high, stretching up into the sky.
Zebra, zebra, black and white, racing through the morning light.
Bear, bear, strong and brown, roaming forests up and down.
Monkey, monkey, swinging free, jumping high from tree to tree.
Deer, deer, so fast and neat, tiptoeing softly on their feet.
Rhino, rhino, horn so strong, walking slowly all day long.
Hippo, hippo, splash and play in the river all the day.
Crocodile, crocodile, snap and glide, hiding where the waters slide.
Snake, snake, slither low, through the grass they softly go.
Wolf, wolf, howl at night, running under the pale moonlight.
Fox, fox, clever and sly, darting through the forest night.
Kangaroo, kangaroo, hop so high, jumping under the sunny sky.
Panda, panda, black and white, munching bamboo all day and night.
Gorilla, gorilla, strong and wise, with gentle heart and watchful eyes.
Leopard, leopard, spot so bright, creeping softly out of sight.
Camel, camel, in the sand, walking slowly across the land.
Eagle, eagle, soaring high, spreading wings across the sky.
Owl, owl, hoot and see, wise and silent in the tree.
Cheetah, cheetah, lightning fast, running swiftly past and past.
Bison, bison, strong and proud, roaming plains and clouds unbowed.
Hyena, hyena, laughing loud, sneaking softly through the crowd.
Peacock, peacock, feathers bright, showing colors in the light.
Chimpanzee, chimpanzee, swinging free, playful in the jungle tree.
Polar bear, snow so white, roaming icy lands so bright.
Flamingo, flamingo, pink and tall, standing gracefully by the waterfall.
Tortoise, tortoise, slow and wise, carrying shell as a surprise.
Jaguar, jaguar, spotted coat, prowling rivers as they flow.